Hello everyone, my name is Valerani Kamaraj and this is my capstone project Intello. So the problem that's being addressed here is like the many mid-market companies are still struggling to close many contracts because they are having difficulties with the compliance certifications and this is a huge problem especially with the mid-market companies and the MSMEs. So to address this problem, we have come up with a solution that's Intello, which is an AI-powered internal audit assistant that's designed to perform ISO 27001 gap analysis against organization procedures. So internal auditors, they spend a significant amount of time manually comparing the organization procedures against the compliance framework. So this process is repetitive, time consuming, and at the same time it's very difficult to standardize. So Intello aims to accelerate this process by using AI agents to identify the compliance gaps, assess risk, and also to generate explainable audit findings. We can walk through the high level architecture of Intello. So this architecture follows an agent-based design inspired by the concepts of agent skills and multi-agent systems. So at a high level, audit orchestrator agent coordinates specialized agents responsible for identifying the relevant ISO controls, analyzing organizational procedures, performing gap analysis, calculating compliance scores, assessing risk, and also generating remediation recommendations. So the current prototype, it implements the core audit workflow as a reusable gap analysis skill, while the overall architecture is designed to scale into a full multi-agent auditing platform. So agent skill, the primary skill implemented in this prototype is the gap analysis skill. So this skills, it performs the following steps. So it read ISO control requirements, extract the required controls, analyze the organizational procedure. It also extracts the implemented controls and compare the requirements and the implementation, calculate a compliance score, and it calculates the risk assessment and then generates an explainable auditor findings and recommendations. We can quickly walk through a live demo. So in this demo, I'll demonstrate using an example access control. So in this, Intello first identifies the relevant ISO control, which is in this case is the ISO 27001 control A5.15, that is for the access control. So as you can see the generated report here. Yeah, so the control, it has picked up the right control. Then it has displayed the status as partially compliant, and then the compliance score is 67%. So in this example, the organization satisfies 2 out of 3 required controls. So that has resulted in the compliance score of 67%. And what's missing is privileged access. Then the risk assessment done here is medium. It has also provided the auditor reasoning and also the recommendation here. So as a next step, so to evaluate the system, I developed a benchmark framework containing a representative ISO 27001 procedures and expected outcomes. So the evaluation measures are control identification accuracy, the compliance status accuracy, and the execution performance. So let's wait for the output here. Yeah. So in this case, it has performed 3 test cases. So Intello achieved 100% control in the identification accuracy. It has also achieved 100% status accuracy here, and the average execution time is approximately 9.40 seconds per audit. So in summary, the Intello demonstrates how agents can assist internal auditors by automating repetitive compliance assessment tasks while maintaining explainability and measurable performance. So the future work includes implementing the complete multi-agent architecture, adding support for additional compliance frameworks, and also integrating retrieval augmented knowledge bases and long-term audit memory. Thank you for watching my Capstone project demonstration of Intello.